page, learning about the following points. Hyperlinks. Creating a hyperlink to a page or file. Web pages are linked to each other by hyperlinks. Hyperlinks are links between pages or between sections of the same page. When clicked, text or graphics take the user to another web page, image, or location in the same page. Types of hyperlinks. There can be different types of links in your website, such as text links, image links, email links, URL links, etc. It is a good idea to first create a folder for your website and save all the pages and images of the website within the folder. Text hyperlink. A text hyperlink is a link to another page in the current website. To create a text hyperlink, follow these steps. 1. Select the text you want to hyperlink. 2. Right-click your mouse. Select Hyperlink from the shortcut menu. 3. The Insert Hyperlink dialog box appears. 4. Select the document you wish to link. 5. Click OK. The link is created. Picture hyperlink. A picture could also act as a link to another web page. To link a picture to another page, select the picture and right-click your mouse to view the shortcut menu. Select Hyperlink from the shortcut menu. 2. The Insert Hyperlink dialog box appears. 3. Select the document you wish to link. Click OK. URL links. To link the page to another website, follow these steps. 1. Select the text to be linked. Right-click your mouse to view the shortcut menu. 2. Select Hyperlink from the shortcut menu. 3. Enter the URL of the website to be linked in the address box. 4. Click OK. You can link your web page to any page on the net by giving its URL. Email hyperlinks. Email links are created so that people visiting your site can send their queries or responses to your email address. To create such a link, follow these steps. Select the text you want to be linked. 2. Select Hyperlink from the Insert menu. 3. In the Insert Hyperlink dialog box, click on the email icon. 4. Type the email address in the email address box. The link will be created. Creating tables. Tables are used to present information in an organized and comprehensive manner. They can be used very effectively in web pages too. Inserting a table. 1. To insert a table in a web page. 2. Click Table menu, then go to Insert and then Table. 3. The Insert Table dialog box opens up. Here, you can specify the number of rows and columns. Table Properties. The Table Properties dialog box allows you to format the table. 1. Place the cursor on the table and right-click the mouse to get the shortcut menu. 2. Click Table Properties. The Table Properties dialog box appears. The Alignment box allows you to specify how the text is to be aligned. 4. The Size box in the Border section allows you to specify the thickness of the table border. The Color box in the Background sections allows you to give color to the table cells. Cell Properties. The Cell Properties box is used to set the properties of a specific cell. To do this, place the cursor within a cell and right-click. The Cell Properties dialog box appears. Using this dialog box, format the cell as required. Saving a web page. To save a web page, you could follow any of these methods. 1. Click File menu and then Save. Or click the Save button in the standard toolbar. Or press Ctrl+S. 2. The Save As dialog box appears. 3. Save the web page in the desired location. The default location is My Webs. As mentioned earlier, you can create separate folders for your websites and save all the pages and images of the website within the folder. Summary. Hyperlinks are links between pages or between sections of the same page. When clicked, the hyperlink text or graphics take the user to another web page, image, or location in the same page. There can be different types of links in your website, such as text links, email links, URL links, etc. The home page of a website is usually given the name index.html. And that is all in this lesson, student. Learning is fun, so keep learning.